It's about to get louder. I just bought her an exhaust for it. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today there's something right there in that box, and something I got for the Camaro. It's her Christmas gift, and she knows what it is already because I'm a girl and I told her because I was excited. And you know, when you make big purchases and you're married, they're gonna see that kind of crap anyways. All right, well there she is. She's good. She's excited. She wants to make this thing a lot more fun. Yep. Merry Christmas, honey. Go ahead.
Just in time for Christmas.
Yeah. You know what that is, honey? Yeah, see? I'm tired of some stuff.
Now can it not be an expensive? I'm excited about this.
It's a lot of damn pipes.
It is a lot of damn pipes. Oh, it went through the packaging. That's the problem.
Sure does look shinier when you buy it on the damn online.
It's going under the car.
I know, but still, I thought it was gonna be shinier. Maybe a little. It's stainless.
This isn't the. This is all the under part. That's not the tips. The tips are.
No, yeah, the tips
will be fine.
Tip better be chrome. I know. I'm just saying.
I'm not concerned. As long as it sounds good. I'm very clear.
Yeah, we could definitely just put these in pieces in the car. This is a lot of pieces.
Well, yeah. You ordered it.
God. It's a damn puzzle.
Where's the tips?
It's probably one of these boxes. Those are all the clamps.
Yeah. Well, that box looks good to shit.
Is it damaged?
Oh, no, there's 4. Okay, I was looking for the other 2 boxes.
No, you got each tip is separate, I guess. What brand is it? MBRP. This is MBRP Race. MBRP Race means our neighbors are gonna hate us.
I don't like them anyway, so it's okay.
It's okay. Yeah, even though your car has active exhaust and this doesn't, but you don't even.
I don't ever move the exhaust anyway. I always leave it on the loudest possible option. This is just gonna make it more loud.
Yeah, this is gonna make it more loud, a lot more loud.
All loaded up and ready to go. This thing's massive, though.
Oh yeah, it is, and it's heavy too. You got to really be
There we go, some weight reduction.
on top of everything else.
Right.
You don't want to keep that stuff.
Nope.
No! God, please, no! 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 No!
Here, Marty. There he is. He couldn't stand it. He had to come join me.
Is it done yet? Is it done yet?
No, they just got the big suitcase muffler off though.
Okay.
They literally just pulled it off. He's working on the active exhaust stuff right now.
He's gonna try to put it onto the new exhaust?
No.
Oh.
He's just leaving them connected so that they don't trigger a code.
Oh, yeah.
And he's gonna tie them back in the little spaces.
Look at all this room. Alright, so where everything's in place, he's gonna pull it down and line up this one a little bit further out because this one's sticking out a little bit further and we like it better. So, but there's the final product. He's so retarded. Yeah, he can talk all that trash all he wants to, but every time we have to go somewhere, I say, which car do you want to take? Of course. Oh, yes. So much louder. I like it. That bitch is loud.
I felt the shake the second time. I was like, shit.
It wasn't crazy loud. No, it was definitely loud. Definitely louder than what I had. But it's not crazy now.
It didn't seem crazy loud. Like Cobby starts was louder than this.
Another one.
I'm really happy with it. So I'm glad I didn't try this one at home with Marty and Javi. We typically try and do our own stuff at home on jack stands, but this one became a little bit more involved, as you might have been able to tell. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Give us a like, give us a subscribe, comment, you know, let me know what you think about the sound. I can promise you right now that the exhaust in the video does not do the exhaust in person, does not do it justice. So I've already listened to some of my phone recordings of the exhaust, and they sound good, but they don't sound as good as they do in person. So anyway, have a good day.